Have you ever felt that your wardrobe is missing on that elegant and expensive touch? Well, the problem might be the color combinations. In this video, I'll teach you how to use absolute essential colors for your wardrobe, like mocha brown, forest green, burgundy, marine blue, and also the classics, black and white. I'll also explain the psychology behind the colors and how to use different silhouettes and fabrics. Let's transform your wardrobe together. Color brown is a symbol of warmth and stability, and I think this one is an absolute essential to your wardrobe because it is a basic color, so you can combine this color with basically any other shade or stay within the color brown. Just remember, when you are creating monochrome outfits, always create enough visual contrast between the shades of brown. In the first picture, we see a beige blouse in a combination with a mocha brown pants. The second one is a contrast between black turtleneck, black gloves, and also beige jacket or a blazer. And the third one is a monochrome ensemble with an accentuated waistline through a dark brown leather belt. For this one, I went for a sweater dress in beige with a v-neck and also accentuated waistline. It has vertical lines which visually elongates the silhouette. Then I added a second layer with a vest in the same shade as the dress. For a color contrast, I went for a leather belt in mocha brown and the same shade embellished ankle boots. Remember, when you are creating monochrome outfits, think about that you create enough color contrast and then add different patterns and different fabrics. Nowadays, I find it difficult to find quality for a reasonable price. That's why I created my own list with my favorite brands. In the description down below, you can find a link, join my newsletter and get a free list. It will help you save time and money. Let's talk about the second absolute essential for your wardrobe, deep green shade. It is a symbol of growth, balance, and also connection to nature. I really like the combination between beige and dark green. In the first instance, it is a beige sweater, which gives more volume, and then a pencil skirt in dark green. The second one is a pale green trousers suit with a pink shirt. And the third one is basically a monochrome outfit with enough contrast through a dark brown leather belt and on top of it a dark green blazer. You can see that darker shades go better with gold, while paler ones with silver jewelry. For this one, I created a monochrome ensemble in dark green. For visual interest, I played around with different fabrics and patterns, and then added some accessories in beige. Let's find some similarities throughout those three pictures. They're wearing monochrome dark green ensembles, have a v-neck and also accentuated waistline, create visual interest through enough color contrast or luxurious fabrics like silk, and have a light reflection on the face through a pearl earrings. Another ensemble in dark green, solid turtleneck mixed with high-waisted wide leg pants which has seams at the front, makes them more smart casual, and also very subtle yellow subshade combined with a golden clutch. Here's another, my favorite, elegant and expensive color combination between dark green and gray. Here we have a solid sweater dress, pattern blazer, and also a leather bag. And let's talk about the color burgundy. It is a symbol of passion, ambition, and confidence. Here again we see monochrome outfits mixed with some black accessories. You can also try burgundy and brown shade. Just remember, create enough color contrast. In this instance, I wanted to show how to combine burgundy with beige. I went for a sweater dress in beige, added a pattern blazer which has some pink and gold embellishments, and then went for an even deeper shade with burgundy leather belt and ankle boots. If you want to express even more power and confidence through the color combinations, you can go for stronger shades like black and burgundy in one outfit. If you want to start slower, you can go for a black outfit and then add some burgundy accessories, or just a burgundy shade of a lipstick. Another option would be choose a dress or choose an ensemble which has already a pattern between those two colors. If you don't want to choose pattern, you can also go for monochrome elements, like those high-waisted wide leg burgundy pants, also a solid tank top in black, and then add more visual interesting bag, with some patterns and golden elements. In this one, I wanted to show you that burgundy is an absolute versatile color. In the first example, I have chosen a burgundy blazer and the same color leather belt with light blue shirt, pants and earrings. The second one is a playful mix between pale pinks, added some pattern with color and a burgundy pants. And the third one is an absolute classical combination between gray and burgundy accessories like leather belt and bag. I think this one is my favorite outfit of the day. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. A mix between dark gray dress, which here looks quite formal or smart casual, combined with a faux fur coat, and then on top of it a croc effect burgundy leather bag with some golden embellishments. This one looks very elegant and expensive. Now let's talk about the marine blue shade, which is a symbol of stability, wisdom and sense of responsibility. I really enjoy the mix between marine blue and beige, again playing around with some luxurious fabrics and shades. Here's another example, combination between dark blue and beige. Pattern blazer, pale leather skirt and then beige accessories. The repeating element here is golden buttons and golden embellishments on the back, which create harmony. Dark blue is a cold color, that's why it goes very well with another cool shade, gray. In this example we see that accessories in silver go very well with dark blue. Sometimes when you are slightly unsure which color to combine in your ensemble, check out the pattern element. In this case it is the dress. We can see that it already has some blue and gray elements. That's why gray blazer and gray leather bag goes very well. Another element is a golden embellishment. That's why I go for golden jewelry. I also want to show you some slightly unexpected combinations between dark blue and, in this case, pale green. I think this one looks very elegant and at the same time playful. Well, of course marine blue goes very well with dark brown shades, but somewhere close to dark brown is an orange shade, which also unexpectedly great goes with marine blue shade. What do you think? Let me know. Here's another timeless mix between dark brown sweater with a pattern, it adds more volume to the upper part of the body, and then a monochrome leather skirt in dark brown. Again, you see how in one ensemble we can play around with different shades of brown, adding a solid leather bag and also suede leather ankle boots. Now let's talk about the strongest color on the palette and, of course, an absolute classic, black. It is a symbol of strength and sophistication. And of course, you can choose the amount of black you want to use in one ensemble. The first one is the strongest one, a classical white shirt and black suit combination. The second one is a little bit more subtle and delicate, white shirt combination with a pattern blazer. The third one, of course, is the most feminine, monochrome beige ensemble combined with some black detailing. Of course, you can go for all black ensemble. In this case, high-waisted wide leg pants, a tank top and a delicate pattern leather bag with silver embellishments. If you want to learn more about how to create all black capsule wardrobes, check the link in the description down below. Of course, the another side of a black is the color white, which is a symbol of simplicity and clarity. In the first one, you see a white blazer with some bursts of black. The second one is all white outfit, where you can create visual interest through, different patterns, fabrics, or add some more visual interesting accessories. The third one is an instance how you can create combinations between white and some dark brown elements. A perfect example of a monochrome white outfit is between the white t-shirt, some pattern, high-waisted white leg pants, and simple golden jewelry. Now that you have learned elegant and expensive color combinations, you can also pick the right color for your ankle boots. You will find the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, take care, ciao ciao!